Alright, we are here at a building in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, where we have this really neat vintage Westinghouse. It has this exterior COP that I've never seen before. So you can actually, I guess, use this key switch to send it to a floor. And then over here we have the actual call button. So let's take this thing for a ride. So let's go to A. Door. I mean, this door is shorter than me. Here's the button. Look at that lantern. Go back down to 1. This is a really cool elevator. Again though, I've never seen a COP outside like this. And it doesn't have this on any other floors, just here.